Welcome to the effort of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press the power key, we can see that we can only lock the device, and if you wanna, for example, launch the camera or torch from double press the power key, we should open the settings application and then scroll to system section, then click here to gestures, and we will see here quickly open camera. Just tap here once on the switcher, and after that, when we'll press twice to the power key, we can see that the camera application successfully activated. So that's it. That's how to activate Quick Launch on our HTC Desire 22 Pro device. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.